Still waiting for the answers to the universe, waiting for someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a different sign.
Hey Kawaii gang, what's good? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today's video is an all gold set, everything gold. This is giving me like fall vibes, but it's also like wearable for any time of year really, because gold is just that girl. Like these are Cleopatra nails, like if you want to feel like a queen or whatever. Like I don't know, I was about to do these on myself because they're just so gold. By the way, if my energy seems like up here, I'm drinking Red Bull right now. I'm lit. It's daytime. Usually I do my face cam at night when I'm like dead tired, ready to go to sleep, so my energy is way low, but like I just woke up, I'm happy, I'm here, so I might be kind of hype. I'm sorry about it. Anyways, you guys, so I already have my red Iguana practice hand. I'm gonna make sure I put the link down below for where I got this practice hand. I still get asked about it a lot. It's from Red Iguana. Check the link down below. It's a beautiful silicone practice hand. It's very realistic and I love my hand. I use it all the time, obviously I love it. And I already have her tips applied and shaped up because they don't come super stiletto like that, so I had to file them up a little bit. By the way, you guys, I'm in a different location. I'm right here in front of my window, so if you hear traffic and stuff, I'm so sorry about it. Like people are so loud out there, I'm so sorry. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna do French on this set. I wanted to do French nails, French gold tips, and I'm using Young Nails Cover Blush. It's a beautiful pale pink with a holographic fine sparkle in it. It's an acrylic. This is a hybrid set, so it's like half acrylic, half polygel. Do you know what I mean? So with my number 12 Oval Alpha brush, my absolute favorite brush in the freaking world, I love this brush. I'm going into the Young Nails monomer, and then I'm gonna pick up a bead of that acrylic and start sculpting out my nail bed. And you don't have to get the smile line super perfect because we're gonna go in with the hand file and carve it out real nice, but I do want you guys to build this up quite high. Imagine that you're making a wall. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know when you're building sandcastles and you create a moat so that you can put the water around your sandcastle, so you make this like this little moat, little wall. You need to make a wall, you know what I'm saying? So just build your nail bed up quite high. Then I'm showing you guys how I go in with my hand file to clean it up.
Waiting for someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream.
So I just jump cut to the next clip with all of the nail beds already carved out and done. And now we are going to create our gold poly gel. This was so fun for me. I love mixing. I love creating glitter mixes. That was like one of the first things I was doing on my channel early on, was just making my own acrylic glitter mixes. I feel like watching glitter being mixed together is just very ASMR vibe. It's very like, I don't know, it's so satisfying to watch that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mixing. I feel like the polygel that I mixed up turned out exactly how I wanted. This huge Martha Stewart gold glitter is just like, holy crap. That glitter is so stunning in person. Like, it's the closest to what real gold probably looks like to me. And I mixed in a couple other glitters. Some have like a holographic sheen to them, and one of them is an acrylic from JC Beauty Concepts. I will have all these glitters listed down below if you're interested in any of them. And I'm just mixing them in with some clear polygel from Gershion, and I'm using a spatula end of a polygel brush to just kind of like churn it all together till it's completely smooth. Then I go ahead and start filling in the tips of the nails with this polygel. So it's very thick, it's very stiff, but I actually loved it. Like, it felt kind of easier to use because it was so stiff in a way. It was interesting. It was interesting texture. It was just nice. I don't know, I enjoyed it. It wasn't like a pain, it was okay. So just take note of that. If you don't want that extra stiffness, just add more clear polygel and mix it up again. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. And I'm using the Young Nails Manicure swipe to work my polygel. And If you guys want to just know more about polygel in detail, definitely check out my last video because I went in on all the tips and tricks about polygel. But yeah, I love the idea of using clear polygel for glitter mixes because I feel that this glitter mix came out very pigmented and very vibrant and very like there were no clear spaces. I find sometimes when I use clear acrylic to do a glitter mix, I have to add so much glitter so that it's completely pigmented and not like clear spaces. I don't know how to say this. Like polygel just makes it real pigmented and you can use less product. So yeah. And I think I used way too much. So if you are recreating this design, you might want to use like half of what I used. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this application and then I will be back.
Someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a different sign, waiting for someone to take me away, get these thoughts off my mind. As I wait, thinking of you, hoping that you are thinking of me too. I cannot sleep without you by me, and I miss you, I miss you, I miss you. into a pond. Ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain.
So after applying all of that polygel glitter to the tips of the nails, I was curing between each finger. And after that is all cured and set up, I'm going to start applying some glitters. So I wanted to do some larger gold glitters on top of this polygel base. Two of these glitters are from NailHeaven supply store. One of them is called Bourbon St and one of them is called Gold Juice. And my discount code is Femi.beauty10 for 10% off at NailHeaven supply store. So check the link down below. They have so many amazing glitters. Love them. I've been dying to use these two gold glitters and I've been saving to use them for this set. So I'm applying all my glitters with top coat gel. I'm just placing them into the top coat gel. And I also have like some small gold stars, some small gold hearts, and what else? I think that's it. Yeah. And two of those glitters lost their color as soon as I started capping them. Some glitters will bleed as soon as monomer touches them or anything wet touches them. They will kind of lose their color. Some glitters are just not meant to be encapsulated. They're not meant for nails, nail art. I think if you were to cap with gel or polygel, it would have been fine because it's not as wet and it wouldn't leach out the color. I capped with clear acrylic today. After I applied all these glitters, I capped with clear acrylic. This is the Young Nails Core Clear, by the way. And I chose to cap with clear acrylic instead of clear polygel because I'm faster with clear acrylic and I don't want to waste my clear polygel capping nails. Like, I just didn't want to. And it would have taken a long time and a lot of effort because there's so many glitters. And when you're capping with clear polygel, you have to like work really hard to make sure there's no bubbles and like gaps that you missed. It's kind of a pain. So clear acrylic was just the faster, better option for me. So after I'm done capping these nails, I will be back after the filing because I did the filing off camera today. So here we are after the filing, and I wanted to decorate these nails. I wanted to use all gold charms, so I went through all of my stuff and I picked out all of the gold like alloy charms and things that I could find. I have some little like dangle charms. I didn't end up using the dangle charms. I have like some roses and some seashells and feathers, and I kind of wanted to do this like everything in the kitchen sink vibe, like everything that you could imagine gold I want on these nails. So it doesn't have a very specific theme. I didn't go full on sea or full on just like whatever, but like, yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but I just arranged all these little charms and knickknacks on the nails using top coat gel. If you were doing this on an actual person and you need it to stay and last a long time, I have a bling glue that I've been loving lately and I really recommend it. I will have all the info down below. It's from ULG and it's not sold as a bling glue. I personally just use it as a bling glue, but it's actually a step 1 base for dip powder nails. So unfortunately, you would have to buy the whole dip powder kit just to get that glue. I asked them personally if they will ever sell that glue by itself, just the step 1 base, and they said no. So I'm also out of luck because I'm gonna have to buy that kit all over again, or just try to find another base coat, another step 1 base for the glue. We'll see what happens with that. But yeah, so I put all those charms on, flash curing them in place. Then I cure them in place with my big lamp, and then I go ahead and just top coat the entire nail and wipe down the sides of the nail to maintain the shape and cure in the lamp. So you guys, this is after curing. This is the final result. They are gold AF. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you guys never miss an update from me. I love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching, and please have an amazing day or night. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.
When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby.